So these are the top 6 ClickBank products as of March 2026.
So I'm going to be referring to something called EPC, or earnings per click, and this is a key metric in affiliate marketing that measures the average earnings generated for each click on an affiliate link. There's also the APV, which is the average payout value. So in ClickBank, this refers to the average commission earned per sale. So let's get started.
So at number 1 we have the Energy Revolution system, and as you can guess, this is a product in the energy niche. It has an EPC of 65 cents and an APV of $50.52. At number 2 we have Rocket Languages. This is a language learning product. It has an EPC of $3.32 and an APV of $89.05. At number 3 we have the Genius Switch, and this is like a spirituality, new age, alternative belief type of product. This has an EPC of 80 cents and an APV of $52.25. At number 4, Audifort. This is a dietary supplement. It has an EPC of 72 cents and an APV of $159.42. At number 5 we have ProstaVive. This is a product in the prostate health. It has an EPC of 49 cents and an APV of $150.07. And finally at number 6 we have ProDentim. This is product in the dental health. It has an EPC of 56 cents and an APV of $166.36. So those are the top 6 ClickBank products as of March 2026.